Oh, she's sweet, but a psycho. Yo, what's up? What the fuck is my hair, bro? Beautiful fucking trade last night, bro. Oh my god. Oh my god. Genuinely not a single 15-minute down candle to TP. That's sexy. Trying my new strat. What's your strat, bro? You don't even know concepts, bro. How can you get like a strat gun? How much you make from total last night? 15. No, bro, trust, bro. You don't even know concepts, bro. It's like being like, oh, I'm gonna go enter a tennis tournament, and I have the right strat, but I don't know how to hit a forehand. Sexy trade from last night. So I guess we're at 5105, 5157. Yo, what's up, Trader Puna? How's it going, bro? Bro, look at this sexy trade that we hit yesterday. Biggest aura, bro. Shit was like literally like 14 RR. It was insane, bro. I entered on this candle, bro. Crazy trade, bro. Oh wait, no. My stop was because my stop was here. My stop was at this high, bro. Oh shit, it's 931. I think this could be the high of the week. I think we could get finished today around that area. Right now, price isn't really doing anything. 930 rips up. Alright, chat. Beautiful rip to the downside. These are looking like nice shorts. What is this the right account? This is the 05. I want to trade. Yeah, I mean, it doesn't really matter. I'll just take the trade on both accounts. However, that's like looking. I mean, go, yeah, midnight opens a good target here. We only need, how much do we need to pass the account? 2K? Or we need like 1.9? That's fine. Well, this is to pass the account. Hopefully we can just pass it by the end of this week. Like, you know, chill. Yeah. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution. But I think we're gonna want, like, I want to wait for like an IO Fed or something. Ooh, there is a nice saucy 15-minute gap like that. That's pretty sexy right there. We are heading into this 15-minute gap, and I don't necessarily want to trade against it unless we get an entry. So, unless there is a sort of valid entry here. Oh shit! No, don't do that. Don't do that. Trader P1L, what's up? I mean, hey, it's fucking sinking, but I'm not taking a trade at 9:35. We could easily just reverse off this. Bro, Dodgy 100% took this shit. Dodgy, this is like Dodgy in this. Let me check his YouTube. Let me open a new tab. Dodgy is 100% in this. Is he even stream trading? He has a private thing, right? Yeah, he fucking... Yeah. Never mind then. I guess he fucking doesn't stream trading. But he's for sure in that, bro. This is a clean entry. Bro, learning to trade like AM and PM in Asian was the best decision I ever made. Because, like, bro, it takes off so much pressure from Goody. Cody, come on. I think this is a pretty good long that we have going here. If we can get like a stop somewhere here, and then just target all time. Or maybe not. There isn't that much to target. Might have to just wait for it to sell off more, not gonna lie. Like, I'll still take the entry, but... just selling off right now. Those are pretty nice shorts for power of 3 right there. That's too early in the market open. Holy dump, bro. Peak, yeah, for real. I was really looking, like, this is like simple power of 3. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution, down to sell side. But I'm not really, like, too bearish today. This overnight dump. Started retracing that back. We got that, like, fucking shift, and then, I mean, shorts could be the move. I think I probably would have shorted this if I was a little inverse, because this candle down was so big. So, we didn't get a great inverse. Is there a 2-minute? Like, yeah. It was okay. Like, this would have been the statistical entry, and then targeting, like, midnight open, which is still a great trade. Still 3.64R, but it's probably gonna reverse sometime soon. And it's not really like it was too early, bro. Just free your mind. My love is what you gotta. It's looking like a chill entry pulling up. Oh my god. Before taking any trade. It is just ripping chat. Bro, fuck. That's so stupid. Gotta redo this shit now. Fuck no. No, I didn't know how to leave it there. We're just selling off, bro. Nothing's even happening. When it goes down, like it depends on the kind of position that I take. And here I took short, so if it goes down to my like level, then I make money, and then if it goes up, then I lose money if I'm still in the short position. But if I'm in a long position, which is the opposite, where I buy and it goes up, I make money, and then it goes down, I lose money. It's bro at Starbucks again. That looks more like Dunkin' Donuts. ES is chopping. ES got that ugly chop. Holy 950 macro. Damn, bro, is Sinner out? It's rough. That kind of sucks. And shit is what it is. Let me see if I can get, like... Alright, well, it looks like we're about to get an entry here anyway. It's ripping. The groove that never stops. The groove that never stops. Alright. Take this. Oh god. That's not good. Wait. What is this bullshit? I'm not paying for this, bro. why buys. Just kind of looking for longs the whole time. I feel like this was the manipulation leg. Just my opinion. And I prefer the draws to the upside. Like this was kind of sharp expansion down, and then catch reversal to the upside. We already took out all those lows. Like we had a crazy sell-off last night as well. So I think today could be a chill day to the upside. Hopefully 10 a.m. is gonna rip us up. I just love buying like top ticks, bro, to the downside. Hopefully it can just keep us in before 10 a.m. Good push up here. Yeah, in my opinion, this leg down that we had at 9:30 was the higher time frame retracement, and then we're gonna push up now. Back up to those hats. No way, both broke through. Oh no, 6-3. Is it? No. Oh my god, it's 6-5. This guy threw. Are you serious? What is he doing? $10 a.m. in 44 seconds. Hopefully we don't get no daily candle to the downside. 10 a.m. could probably just manipulate this low, and then that's it. Pre-10 him push up, I'm fucking with that. Yep. No top wick, no top wick. No wick, we have no wick, let's go. Nice. Exactly what we were waiting for. Beautiful. This was the cleanest AMD. Literally. I mean, this was more of like we expanded overnight in London session, and then here we retrace, and then we expand again. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution. It's like everyone's winning today. I haven't won the trade yet, but it's looking pretty good though. This 10 a.m. candle's looking like it wants to rip us up to the fucking moon. Okay. It's all about. It's all about house music. How many accounts does bro scale? Well, I have. Okay, so these accounts that I'm trading right now, these are like apexes, and I'm just kind of trying to get rid of them because I have alpha futures accounts that I want to trade, that I want to scale. But these I'm not scaling. These I'm just trying to get rid of before the end of the week so I can trade my other accounts next month, the ones that I can scale. But these I'm just kind of like trading, kind of what I'm pretty aggressive. Like this is like a $700 trade, and so I'm like risking quite a lot. Just trying to go for the fucking trade and then call it a day. Call it a bloody day. Call it a fucking day. My god. He's just selling, bro. This trade isn't looking too great, not gonna lie. It's just pretty slow. I'll take them off you if you're trying to get rid, bro. Thanks. Amen. Does it rip chat? Nah, it's pretty slow right now. You were still in the uptrend, so. It's just slow, bro. Any fucking longer, bro? Come on, just rip. chill. Does it rip chat? Just heard some guy scream. Yeah. My dad's watching tennis. Low-key 10 a.m. tennis is crazy. No, there's this young kid that's playing that he knows in the French Open. And you know from like a long time ago, and he's like young as fuck, and he's like cheering for him. Tsitsipas plays today. Bro plays Arnaldi. It's actually over for bro. Dude, Tsitsipas ATP 79. That's rough, bro. Dude, the freaking Kouame French dude just won in 5 sets. It's crazy. Tiafo, yeah, I see. I have all the scores pulled up. He's playing fucking Hudkech. Damn, 7-6 on 6. Yeah, Sinner lost because he was cramping like crazy during his set. W trade on our hands. I like where this is going. Or I want to be careful because this gap right here, very gap. So many upsets. Wow, upsets. I mean, shit. Hopefully 10 a.m. can deliver. Try and make if this hits. I make like 14. So I'll do I'll take 3 contracts off at that high. Why is paper behind? Because you need data. So essentially the market data that I have, it's not free. It comes with funded accounts. The market has data and you have to pay for it. So if you're gonna pay for paper trading, for data, then you need to pay for like TradingView Plus or some shit. Just get like a $12 plan. And then you also need to buy the CME futures live data, which is another like $7. So it's gonna come like, for me actually no, it was a little more. It was like around like $20 a month for it to be able to get the data with paper trading. If you want to use Ninja Trader, it's a little like stupider looking than TradingView. That they give you free trials for 2 weeks of live data. So if you want to use that, and then you can just keep making new emails. That's what I did. But yeah. So I'll just stay behind until I get my footed. Yeah, or you can just watch a streamer that like, I mean, I don't know. Yeah, no, but the thing is, you stay behind. Say, okay, you're 10 minutes behind, right? So you are at. You're right now. This is the candle, right? This is the last candle that's for you. But if you enter in a trade here, your fill is gonna get filled in real time. So you'll enter here. Since say you go short here, you're like, oh, I'm gonna sell here. But in reality, you're selling here, and it's not gonna let you to sell because price is above your sell line. So it's really annoying. It's just how it is. You're just gonna have to pay for it. This is a disgusting sell-off. So it's like the buy, if I was delayed data and I had bought here at 9:53, I would have gotten filled at 10:03. Like here. So you kind of have to use either NinjaTrader free trial for like just keep renewing it, or just buy a fund account. You can buy a 25K for like $17 off Apex. So I don't know. Up to you, Z's. Yeah, you guys see we got Josh Zitman in the Discord. Pretty tough. Alright. I am going to be dragging my stump to this low. Cut some more risk off the table. Put it to that low. I don't think we should push back down below that low. So should I use Apex and Trade-of-8? Yes. That's right. Trade-of-8 is the broker and Apex is the firm. Apex lets you buy the account, but make sure you buy it with Trade-of-8 because there's also wealth charts and forgot the rhythmic, but make sure you buy it with Trade-of-8. Activation fees are such a ripoff, 100%. But I mean, like, hey, like it's like prop firms are literally meant for people who have money as well. You're not on Apex though? No, yeah, these are Apex accounts. I bought Apex accounts. And I'll trade my alpha futures next week. These are Apex accounts that I have right now. Which I don't know why I didn't just copy trade them. They're at the same balance. Yeah, activation. I mean, Apex just made that deal for like $80. $80 you can get a 50K with no activation fee. Which is pretty insane, but that's how Apex makes their bread, bro. What the fuck is my hair, bro? Genuine. What the fuck? What the fuck was that? GG? What the fuck? Okay. Let's go. What the fuck was that? Oh my god. Holy shit. Let's go. What the fuck? Was there news? No. What the fuck? W, this means my trade is gonna hit too. Let's look at your trade. Oh, you sent it to me on Snap. Never mind. What the? Yo, what is the news, bro? What just happened, bro? Holy shit. It closed. Good luck getting rid of the account, gang. Maybe I just gotta act like I want to get rid of all my fucking accounts, bro. We are on we have made $2,800 in 2 days. It closed same time. Yeah, because you're on delayed data. And your executions are still live. We are up almost $3,000 on the account in 2 trades, bro. That is insane. Well, there goes another trade recap for me. Whew. It's kind of annoying that this is only on one account and I didn't take it on the other account as well. But damn, that's pretty cool. Maybe we'll just pass this bitch and we'll get to the funded. That'd be pretty cool. I mean, shit. Holy fuck. That is insane. Is this eval or what? Yeah, these are just 50K evals that I'm just trying to trade. Like I probably should have taken the same trade on the other account too. But I mean shit, now I'm only $550 away from passing the account, so I might as well just keep this one consistently, and then you know what, I'm feeling good, so we'll just full port this account. Actually, this is like a horrible time to engage into some sort of full port because it's actually like ridiculous. Like, there's just no direction at all. Maybe we keep ripping or some shit. I don't know. Maybe we like top tick this. I'm kidding. I won't full port it, but we'll trade. I'll trade this account PM and I'll trade it aggressively. Holy shit. I mean, that low-key wraps up the day for us. We on 10 mic. How much do we need to pass this? We need 2K to pass this. So this, like, we gotta go like 15 units deep in this bitch and just take a fucking trade. But I also want to be careful of the daily loss limit. It's like 1,000. We gotta like full port. Look at this account summary, bro. Oh wait, that's not the right one. This is the other account. Is that the new 15-minute? That is crazy. Alright, I'm not gonna full port because I don't want to have that look on my thing. But beautiful fucking trade on our hands that we just took. Absolutely sexy. Hopefully price is gonna move like this. Hop off Discord. Yo. What's up?
What the fuck?
That's tough.
Yeah, I know.
I love when we rip up 0.40% in like 3 seconds.
Look how delayed I am.
Yeah, you're 10 minutes behind. You're at 10:07.
Yeah, but it says I bought in here, and it doesn't show myself. But then it shows this.
Yeah, that's your realized is what's like you have right now, and your unrealized is your active PNL, like what you're currently making and losing it if you're in a trade.
Okay. Well, it says I'm not in a trade, but
yeah,
like according to this timing, I should be. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Gains trades.
So like, do I still sit and watch? Shut up. Should I still sit and watch this?
It's not really gonna do anything. Just look up Ninja Trader and make an account, and you'll have live data, bro.
Alright. Am I not gonna do Apex and trade it though right now?
If you want to buy an Apex account, yeah, you can.
What's it called again? Apex what?
Apex Trader Funding. Or wait, no, you should look. You buy an account with code Ollie.
Alright, bro. Fuck you. Use your dumbass code, bro.
Wait. I don't have any. Wait, let me see. I'll tell you how much an Alpha Futures account is. We'll see. We'll find a firm. We'll find like the cheapest.
I don't have bread like that, though.
No. We'll see. Hold on. I'll see what like the.
I gotta pay for an eval, no?
Yeah, you do.
How much?
I mean, it depends. Depends on the type of account you get. Like end of day.
25K.
I mean, if you just want it, yeah, I think you could just get. Let me get in. I'll start a new challenge and I'll tell you what's cheap as fuck. Zero advanced.
I literally think I have $0 to my name on like online. I have cash only.
Premium plan. Lucid Flex is the cheapest. Yeah, I don't have a Lucid though. Is it really? No way. It's not cheaper.
What's his name? What's his name? Ben. Ben has a bunch of Lucid accounts apparently. Allegedly.
Benjamin SMC.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I want to get sponsored by Lucid. Just fucking sponsor me. You guys are awesome.
Bro, what is this, bro?
Lucid Flex is only $70.
Why does it say Della Buns?
What the fuck?
See this shit?
Della Buns. That's funny. Let me sign into my funded futures.
Oh wait, I have to do my his name.
No activation fee. Oh yeah. Okay. Cool.
Yo, I have to do my mother's name here, right?
What is this? Trade of 8? Yeah, I probably would.
I'll wait for her then. Alright, get started with this.
Start challenge. How much?
Older? No activation
one second. How much are those? How much is a no activation fee? Click on no activation fee. Is it $70? That's so cheap, bro. That's insane.
The activation fee, bro.
Well, then if you pass it, you have to pay the activation fee.
Oh.
Which it should. It says it. It might say it there. If you scroll like on the right. No. Well, obviously you're on no activation fee, so standard, and then click on performance account activate. Yeah, the activation fee is $70. Okay, so you might as well just get a fucking like.
No activation fee.
Yeah.
25K. What's EOD or intraday?
What the fuck? Oh.
What the fuck is that?
25K.
What even is this?
What? Oh, just do Do intraday. It's a little like more like annoying, but it's fine.
I do one pack, I guess. Trade of 8. You like the music I'm listening to right now?
I can't hear it.
I'll mute my stream.
Bro, please use code Ollie, bro.
Yeah, I gotta do all this shit, dude. I gotta talk to my parents.
Yeah. You can get a plan on on Alpha Futures for $80. I mean, it's all gonna round you to around $100 if you pass the account. So you might as well just buy.
I mean, I will pass the account. And if I don't, I'll run it back.
How does bro know he's gonna
And
pass
I
the?
should, with my new strat, I should pass the account.
All right, explain to me your strat.
Alright, bro, no, I'll stream. You can't understand the stream.
I tell everyone knows my strat. I trade ICT Power
No,
F3.
it's the copy straight. It's the copy straight strat.
Bro. Son.
Son.
Who are you copy trading, bro? You were in shorts, bro.
No.
Yes. I can't replay the snap. Fuck.
No, that was earlier. It didn't even trade. It literally didn't confirm the trade.
Yeah.
That was weird. But like originally the trade was this. It was like I bought up here and then the TP was like here.
You bought or you sold?
And I sold, sorry. I sold here and then like the TP was here and then it didn't confirm for some reason. I don't understand. The paper trading is kind of weird.
Yeah, paper trading is fucking. I don't even know how to do. Paper trading is really annoying.
Yeah, it was really weird. It didn't even confirm the trade, but it was like it's like 2K.
Here, wait, hold on.
And then
Just hit buy real quick on the top right.
wait, this is the incident.
This is literally what happened. Hit buy real quick, like just on the right. Hit buy. All right, now drag your take.
I see my trade hit.
No, but yeah, drag your TP and your stop loss like a little bit, like just see how much it gives you. Okay, that's about right for 5 units. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, so you're chill.
Yeah, I traded 5 units. How much did you make? Did you make 1.5 today?
In today's trading day, I made 2,800.
Today's trading day.
Like that means that includes last night because trading day starts.
I know. That's insane. Yeah, I made 1.5.
But it's a little unrealistic because these are evals and there's no consistency rules. So
That's unfortunate.
oh god. All right, bro. I don't need to make 4K. How much do I need to make to pass this? Oh, I'm not gonna do this account. I'll do this account. 515.
You want to do something before PM session?
I need a 1.9K to pass that. I mean, no. Maybe I have to string. Just
So this account is only up 1.1 right now.
This account is up. Well, no, this account is. How is it minus 380? Oh yeah, because I traded last night.
If I make a trade of it, account, can I not have the?
No, trade of eight is just the broker. You need to sign in with something.
Okay, so I gotta make an Apex and a trade of it account, and then like you couldn't just.
No,
give me
Apex.
your, like,
Once you
Apex.
buy an Apex account, it creates a trade of it to sign in for you.
No, I know. So I'll just do it through Apex, whatever. But like, you couldn't just give me one of your like 80 25Ks that you have.
80 25Ks.
Then you
Find
don't
me
like
one.
activation fee.
Find me one 25K that I have, bro.
Do you not have a bunch of activations from Apex?
No. You mean alpha? Holy 5-minute candle. This could be a reversal, low key. Low key, we 15 on a D&D. Alright, well, there goes my entry. Or we'll go like 5 units. Only risking that. Nah, it's not worth it. I'm 1.5k from passing, bro. Need at least 750 tomorrow, and I'm chilling. Yeah, for sure. You got that, bro. This shit's like, bro. I'm gonna
gonna go get some food or something right now.
Alright,
I'll be back. I'm gonna just I'll be back.
bro.
I mean, I gotta figure this shit out right now. How much do I have cash, bro? That's the question. I think I have like $50 cash. That's like definitely not enough, right?
I mean for the standard one, yeah. All-time highs, maybe the worst PA or something, or like you can't trade it. All-time highs, bro. All-time highs is so
Dude,
free.
50k with no activation fee is $79. I should just do that. What? It's only $10 more.
Yeah, you can.
Hello? I'm doing
Up to
this.
you. Bro, for me, all-time highs is so free. All you gotta wait for, like, when we were trading, like, this, bro, all I had to wait for was New York, like, well, first of all, accumulation, manipulation, then, I mean, eventual distribution. No, all it was expansion, retracement, expansion profiles. It was so free. What do you look for? Expansion, retracement, expansion, or power of 3. And then more in a profile that we're in, like, this is more power of 3 that I'm looking for. But when we're trading all-time highs, let me go on, like, the 15-minute. It'll probably be easier. Like, literally just looking for expansion, all-time high, retracement, expansion back up to all-time high. Like, it's pretty clean. It's just expansion, retracement, expansion. Or accumulation, manipulation of the lows, and distribution to the highs. Or this isn't all-time highs. Like, this is like, yeah, expansion, retracement, expansion. Expansion, retracement, expansion. Okay, this is just expansion. But you get the jizz. Here, I mean, this is super clean power of 3. Accumulation, pre-market accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Oh, okay, so I do IO Fed and turtle soup, and then I'll take like inverse plays. I think if it's a valid setup. For example, like I was literally calling this out on stream. I was like, accumulation took out that high, and I'm like, if you guys want to short it to like midnight open or try to short it to this low, you can, like, I'm like, that's a pretty valid low. You can rewind the stream. I'm like, once we inverse this gap, you could just do that, and then trade it to this low and 1.63R. But what I look for is after a power of 3, I'll look for either a turtle soup of a low or an IO Fed, which is just fair value, which is just like a 1 minute fair value gap. We didn't really get it here, but I haven't really been. I've been trading just more like how we're just expanding off of price, because I was doing some journaling, and like the entries itself hasn't been showing up, but my bias has been really right, and I've been really able to find like good entries just without necessarily how do you say it, like without the entries needing to be there. Because this, for me, this was just a clean entry. Now we're finally catching like any sort of, we have enough liquidity to push us up. Just put my stop at the low and kind of target. I've been doing like a little bit more like discretionary trading, I could say, just like knowing where price wants to go rather than just using a solidified entry. But I still use those. They're still super valid. Let's see if I can find an example. Like here, I did the same thing, I'm pretty sure. Just waited for this to get inverse and then just did that, and then just like rode that all the way up to like this high. And then I do use order blocks, breaker block. I mean, not really breaker blocks, but I do use order blocks, consequent encroachment, all that stuff. Like, bro, accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Like, perfect here. You wait for that. Like, wait. Market structure shift. 1 minute for valley gap fill. Wait for the expansion below it. But stop at like this high, and then from there, I mean, there wasn't too much to target, but like, yeah, this low 1.6R. Like IO Feds, they usually end up with low resistance liquidity runs, so usually they'll just dump to TP. But I've been literally like, I feel like I've just been more trading power of 3, and just if the move starts to happen, that's sort of my confirmation because like literally how volatile these markets are right now with this, like, bro, this, like, if I had stuck to an entry plan, I would have never caught the entry, but my entry was more so this 5-minute inverse here because we have way enough liquidity that we got. So I mean, yeah. Bro, like these two trades that I've been taking, bro, so beautiful. That's crazy, bro. I've made like 15R in the last fucking 10 hours. Yeah, about 12 hours ago, I'd be out on a trade, and then now I'm in fucking 15R later. We're up 3K. We up 3K. Bro, I'm telling you, what's the biggest payout you've gotten? Bro, if I'm being honest, I've literally only gotten like one payout, and it was like straight luck, and it was like months ago in like November. I like this sort of like Trump market. Like only now am I having like a crazy comeback where like my model has been showing up consistently. But my biggest payout was just 150K2 or no 250K2 payouts like back in November, and then since then I was like mind blocked, bro. It was eval after eval after eval, and I got the payout right before this move here, right before we went in. This shit made me go insane, bro. There was no way I was trading this. Like the year, like, and then here, like November, this was like relatively clean with direction. So here I was able to trade a little payout. It was kind of lucky though, I'd say. Like I was just straight up winning trades, and I was going a little bit against my rules for it. But now, like, bro, I mean, this is just insane. But after this rip up, like these markets like here, and then we finally started to like settle down and have like a sense of direction, like taking out these lows, filling in the weekly gap, and that has been on my side like crazy. So I'm definitely trying to capitalize off that. But I'm gonna be scaling 4 50K accounts next week. So if I'm able to get a payout on that, you know, that's like 10K right there. So hopefully we do that. But yeah, people ask me like, yo, what's your pay? Like, how many pays you got? I'm like, bro, I really haven't. Like, I know I can get it, but I got so mind blocked and so like, I got so just like, I don't know, bro. I just wasn't like, I wasn't winning trades only until like the last like month. Or no, I mean, I'd say I had a really good month in March. Or no, March was horrible. January I had a good month. I didn't get a payout, but I passed an eval or two. And I was trading well. And then February, March, bro, like, what the fuck? I was like, what the fuck is this price action, bro? How am I supposed to trade a daily profile when the daily chart looks like this bullshit, when there's just no direction? And we just absolutely rip like that, bro. It's fucking insane. Like, you showed this to someone like 3 years ago, they would have been like, that's not. Look, you've been trading for 7 months in total. I've been on and off the past 3 vals. I've passed 2 evals out of 3 now. I'm on my fourth 1.5k away from passing. Yeah, bro, for sure. You got that. And if I can give you a tip, like if you have the money to spend on evals, like just trade them aggressively. Like the whole point of evals is so you can buy them, like literally buy five. But like I'm not saying you have to buy five, but I'm saying the whole purpose of it is so you scale 5 accounts, like 550k accounts. Then you just trade them aggressively. You pass eval, and then trade it properly, get a payout, rinse and repeat. Like so many people get stuck on I'm gonna pass. Like obviously you should pass like a few evals. You should at least get like one payout from one account just for sanity purposes. You shouldn't really be scaling up that much. If one, if you don't have the bread, and two, if you're not like about that. Um, but like, bro, the whole my trading literally started to like take off recently when I'm like, bro, these are just evals. Let's fucking trade these. Let's take trades. I'm confident in my entries. I'm also risking better. I was almost like cutting risk these past like 2 months ago up until now. I was like cutting risk for like no reason, bro. Like I'd only want to risk $300-400 per trade. Now I'm dead ass doing like $700 on a 50k account, which is a lot on an eval. And then once I hit the funded account, then I'm chilling, bro. Yeah, I'm getting a job soon, gang. I'm gonna have some bread. Hey, that's fire, bro. Gonna be doing evals. Yeah, bro. People be trying to do trading without no income, bro. You need income to do trading, whether it's live or funded accounts. You need capital. Like the whole point is to rinse you of money, bro. That's what these firms love doing. And thankfully I was able to grow my content page, and now I'm sponsored. So evals isn't gonna really be an issue for me. But I hate people. Not that I hate, but like I swear, people get sponsored by a firm and then they start trading like absolute lunatics, bro. They start like risking 10, 15 contracts per trade on like a 15k. I mean a 50k. They start like full printing that. They get one payout and then they're screaming at everyone's ear, I just got to fucking pay up, buy my course. Like, bro, it's actually some degen shit. Like I literally I do this because I love it, and then I ended up just getting lucky with content. I mean, I say I worked hard for it. It's what I wanted, and then it just kind of unfolded, and I'm like, I'm gonna do this properly. I see people try to flip $30 10x, end up blowing the entire account. I'll like, yeah, like if you're not a genuine consistent trader, you're never gonna be like. So they spent 300 on nothing when they could have bought evals. Yeah, for sure. Like there's no reason to, like trading live funds is probably easier if you're super mentally callous and you're super good at sticking to like a risk management plan and your strategy, and you're just trading for a longevity. Because eval, like prop firms, bro, these are literally accounts meant to be passed like in 4 weeks. Like you're meant to technically on a 50k account, you're meant to make 6k in 4 weeks on an account. That is hard. That's really hard. Okay, like it doesn't have to be in 4 weeks, but you're supposed to make 3k in a minimum, however much, because like if you're spending that much time on an eval, then you should probably get back to paper trading. But like with live funds, you can go on a losing streak for a month, 2 months, and bounce back from it in 2 weeks because you stick to your risk management. On these, if you go on a losing streak for like a few days to a week, you blow your account and you have to start fresh again, and you're just putting money into that. And there's no real bounce back. It's kind of just, when are you going to just do it? When are you going to get that, like, I don't want to say lucky, but when are you going to get to that skill level where you're like, I'm passing these accounts and shit? Psychology goes down the drain on losing streaks for real, bro. Like, my psychology, like, I've always been I have never really been an emotional trader. Like, I've been a little upset about, like, losses sometimes. It's kind of pissed me off. But, like, I'll never get, like, mad at a loss as long as I know I stuck to my risk management plan and everything. But like, bro, all I like this was I mean, this was fine, but like this was just hard to trade. This beginning of the rip up and this bullshit, bro, impossible to trade. Like there's no direction. The market is not in direction. Here there's an uptrend, so we can easily like look for how we can easily look for shorts into going into some sort of higher time frame PDRA or like a fair value gap, and then go up off of it, or like taking liquidity. Bro, there's no fucking liquidity here. Look at this. Like, let me draw this out. Okay. So we're here. This actually was really good. There was like a 4-hour volume imbalance here that kept respecting and pushing down, which is good. But anyway, here, look. So we have like all these market opens. Manipulate, doesn't distribute. Manipulates, distributes a little bit, but like doesn't go back to the high. Here we have market. Let me zoom in a little more actually. But like, bro, let's just work out all these highs and lows. Let's mark out how the session is like. I can't fucking speak. Sessions are moving. Like, bro, we are literally just taking liquidity and not reacting off of it at 9:30. Here, we took this. Here, no, we're gonna do some crazy unrealistic push down. Then we're gonna rip back up. We're gonna chop for like 2 fucking days, and we're gonna rip down for no fucking reason. Like, there's just no direction of the market. If we're constantly switching from bullish to bearish to bullish to bearish to bullish to bearish, like, you can't trade a daily profile strategy in a consolidation profile. Like here, yes, there's direction in the markets. Here, we're fucking in a downtrend, so we can obviously look for how we can optimize shorts. But this is like near. Are we still chopping, bro? But like here, now we've actually been getting the fucking moves, bro. Like, we've been getting expansion, retracement, expansion. It's been playing out. We got accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Or this could be accumulation, expansion, and then we got like last leg of manipulation, then back up to the highs. Like, everything up until PM has been relatively, clean. So hopefully we can keep this up. And like summer, like winter price actions are like New Year price actions always kind of been dookie for me. But when I've been back testing it, it's like been like some of my worst months. Like March, I don't think I had like a winning week. March, I don't think I had like 3 winning days in March, bro. It was so bad. But I feel like what also helped was just kind of trusting myself and not always looking for my specific model to show up, and instead, like, this trade accumulation, manipulation, formed a high, started ripping back up. This is, I mean, as much as this is AMD, I was more looking at what the fuck.
Sugar lips. Hey, sugar lips.
Okay, I was more looking at expansion, retracement, expansion up to the high, and like it plays out.
Sugar lips. Sugar lips. Did I miss anything?
No.
Okay, no answer. No, I understand.
Yeah, guys, I think that's going to be end of AM stream. It's pretty W stream, W trade up 2,800 on the week. I'm going to be making some TikToks later today, hopefully a YouTube video as well. So, not 5 trades. Thank you for tuning in. I appreciate it. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.